गुजरात पुलिशेन साकेत गोखलेक केल्ल्या अटकेचो गोय तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन खर निषेध केला. कसलीच पूर्वकल्पना दिनासतना गोखलेक केल्ली अटक नेमाच्या आड आशिल्ल्याचे तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी राजन डिमेलो सांगता. जरी आमी गुजरात वेंचणुकेन वांटेकार जाल्ले तरी लेगीत भाजपाची कारस्थाना उक्ताडार हाडपाची संद सोडचे नात अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा.
On 6th December, our national spokesperson Saket Gokhale was flying to Jaipur. आणि जयपुरात जेन्ना तो लँड जालो, the Gujarat police, without informing the Jaipur police, picked him up and arrested and took him to Ahmedabad. Now, what was the arrest? The arrest was because he tweeted about something regarding the Prime Minister. Let us get into the merits afterwards. What he tweeted. Question is, without telling the Rajasthan police, the Jaipur police, is picked up and taken there. Now, very important to note is this. In Gujarat, the elections that are going on, TMC is not participated. In Himachal Pradesh, TMC has not participated. But TMC has been criticizing the Gujarat government, the Gujarati leaders, irrespective who gets benefit out of it, which are the opponents of the BJP in those states. Now, without giving him any intermission, without warning him or telling him why he has been picked up, he was only allowed to speak to his mother to say that he is being taken to Ahmedabad. Now this has happened during the period of the election code in force. And therefore, it is the election commission that had control over these elections and the police and so forth. But the election commission of Gujarat did nothing.